Hello everyone, this is my review of the Katerin Dashboard Storage Tray. The first thing that stood out when I installed this organizer was how well it fits the dash's contours. It's designed specifically for the dash area around the 14-inch screen, and it drops in so naturally it almost looks like it came from the factory that way. Before, I had loose items sliding around on the dash pens, keys, sunglasses, receipts, and everything would rattle or fly off when I hit bumps. With this tray, all those small everyday items have a designated place, and they stay put even on rough roads. The organizer's depth and shape are just right. It holds my phone comfortably, I can stack cards or notes in it, and it's great for things I need quick reach of when I'm on the move. That's made my driving experience feel less cluttered and more efficient. Another thing I like is the build quality. The tray feels sturdy enough to last and doesn't flex or bend when I put stuff in it. Overall, if you want to reduce clutter, keep small everyday items organized, and make better use of the area around your 14-inch screen, this dash storage tray is an efficient and affordable upgrade. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.